Welcome to the exam sale video on VMware Certified Associate 6, Data Center Virtualization Fundamentals. This video will cover the exam syllabus, highlighting the key topics and domains you'll need to know to pass the exam. Let's start by breaking down the exam domains and their corresponding weights. The VMware Certified Associate 6, Data Center Virtualization Fundamentals exam is composed of 6 domains, each with its own weightage. The domains are: Explain Data Center Virtualization Concepts and Cloud Computing, 22%. Identify VMware Data Center Virtualization Solutions, 22%. Identify vSphere Components and Features, 22%. Identify VMware Data Center Virtualization Business Challenges, 12%. Identify Shared Storage Concepts for VMware Data Center Virtualization, 11%. And identify network concepts for VMware Data Center Virtualization, 11%. The first domain, Explain Data Center Virtualization Concepts and Cloud Computing, covers the fundamental principles of virtualization and the evolution of cloud service models. You'll learn about the definition of virtualization and the hypervisor, comparison of physical and virtual architectures, benefits of virtual machines including encapsulation and isolation, and the impact of virtualization on IT capital and operating expenses. In this domain, you'll also learn about cloud computing concepts, including NIST characteristics of cloud computing, on-demand self-service and broad network access, resource pooling and rapid elasticity, and the differences between public, private, and hybrid clouds. Additionally, you'll study the Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, Platform as a Service, PaaS, and Software as a Service, SaaS delivery models. The second domain, Identify VMware Data Center Virtualization Solutions, focuses on the broader VMware SDDC portfolio and specialized product use cases. You'll learn about the core components of a software-defined data center, integration of vSphere within the SDDC stack, and the value proposition of software-defined storage and networking. This domain also covers specialized VMware solutions, including VMware SAN for software-defined shared storage, VMware NSX for network virtualization and security, VMware Site Recovery Manager for disaster recovery, vRealize Operations for proactive monitoring and analytics, vRealize Automation for self-service provisioning, and vSphere Data Protection for backup and recovery. The third domain, Identify vSphere Components and Features, covers the core capabilities of vCloud and vCenter Server for managing virtual workloads. You'll learn about the vCloud hypervisor architecture and management, vCenter Server architecture and database requirements, and the vSphere client and vSphere web client comparison. This domain also covers virtual machine hardware versions and features, inventory objects in vCenter Server, host profiles and auto-deploy use cases, vSphere high availability, HA cluster mechanics, vSphere fault tolerance, FT for zero, downtime protection, and vSphere distributed resource scheduler, DRS for load balancing. The fourth domain, Identify VMware Data Center Virtualization Business Challenges, maps technical capabilities to real-world business requirements and pain points. You'll learn about addressing server sprawl and hardware underutilization, reducing downtime for planned and unplanned maintenance, and improving disaster recovery and business continuity metrics.